Why do you keep on missing me when you can't forfeit your promise? I know you have someone else in your life. That is why we never you keep promising me you can't fulfill it. Now I can't believe you anymore because you have a man in your life. You have a boyfriend that you are giving something we never. Your boyfriend asked you for something, you give it to him, but we never. I ask you, you will turn me down. Do you think I don't know you have a boyfriend? I already know. I will ask you for something. You tell me knowing with you is like wasting time in my life because I have noticed that you have a boyfriend in your home and you are pretending that you love me. Do you think I won't find out? Do you think I am stupid? I am not stupid. I already know I am so insanely, crazily, and deeply in love with you that I can't see anything other than you all around me. There is nothing more magical than looking into your eyes and feeling my soul being set on fire. There is nothing more beautiful than closing my eyes and seeing your face. There is nothing more sensual than being kissed deeply by you and feeling beautifully connected to your soul. There is nothing more divine than the feeling that you love my soul more than my body. There is nothing more intense than my heart beats racing in a just at the mention of your name. There is nothing sexier than feeling the warmth of your body next to mine when I wake up in the middle of the night. There is nothing more emotionally satisfying than feeling your arm around my shoulder when I am sad and lonely. There is nothing more amazing than having you in my life and feeling deeply connected to you in every possible sense. The best feeling in the world is when you love me back with the same intensity, the same madness, and the same passion as I have for you. There is nothing more touching than holding your hand and feeling that you need me in your life as much as I need you in my life, honey. Are you aware that our marriage certificate is out and I will be coming to your country to celebrate it so you can celebrate with me? Please, honey, after reading this message, please do not make that mistake of not sending me a message. Send me a message so we can plan together now, and you can quickly send your address to me so when I get to your country I can reach out to you. I do not want to go stronger again. Thanks for watching video.